Hey friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to display a specific number with a maximum value of 0 and or any other number that you'd actually like to place. So that's a very easy process. I'll show you how to do that right now. Okay, so in this example, what I've done is I've set up a small little spreadsheet. And what we want to do is basically have some fundraisers. So you have 4 fundraisers with their specific goals, the amounts that they want to raise. In fact, I'm going to change this all to dollars just to keep it fresh. And then I want to show a column for these specific people of how close they are to their specific goal, as well as if they're over their goal. And then I want to show them, hey, how much do you actually have to remaining that you still need to fundraise. Now again, if they're over their fundraising goal, what I don't want to show is negative numbers, meaning, hey, you need to raise 500, you raise 700, so negative 200 would be the normal formula if you were just doing a subtraction column. So what I want to show again our folks is if they have met their fundraising goal, just a 0. So meaning no negative numbers, I just want to show 0 if it's below that. Okay, so long explanation, but here's the formula. I've actually inputted it on column D. And what you're going to use is the max function. So what you're going to do is hit the equals sign and then the capital max space and then the parentheses. For my specific formula, I want to take B2, subtract C2, and I'm going to put this little comma right here, and I'm going to put in my max value that I want to show, and then close those parentheses. So again, you can see here that we don't have any negative numbers, so it's not really going to be applicable for this box. But once I copy this, and I'm going to highlight and paste down on these cells below, you can actually see that this person obviously has met their goal, but this person, instead of displaying a negative number now, it's just going to show 0, meaning you guys have $0 left to raise. Again, that's that max function. Super simple little method for doing that, but might help you in your formula approach and building your own spreadsheet functions. Hope that has helped, friends. If it has, would you hit that thumbs up button? And stay tuned. We got a lot more Google tutorial sheets coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.